I'm bad.
Watch out.
Under bridge.
No, man, I touch the bridge.
Nice.
Yo, look at this. So beautiful. Yeah, man, yeah, Nigel up on the river right now. We'll grill up some lobster. Yeah. So yeah, my lovely friends and family are watching my channel. Any spot to now watch from right now. Yeah, man. We're there at Spanish Bridge. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful place over here, no joke. Yeah. Yeah, my boss I see a whole heap of crayfish in here. I say a whole heap. And crayfish are something nice, you know. Yeah, man. Speak up on yourself and you know what's on, is it? Yeah.
So we gotta get them sauce out here now.
Yes, so go on.
Go close the riverside, yeah, so.
Free water, you know?
Free water, believe me, man.
Free water. Good water pretty. When you look on it, you can see right down there. When you see you saying it look like you can tap in there, so look deep. All here so deep though. Nah, cool off soon, man. But just, yeah. Yeah. This boss I clean up the lobster them right now. Hey me, how time my bro?
I hear this.
That's cool now.
Left it on top of the car.
You see it, manners.
I bring come man.
Manners, my bro. You see it every time. We soon circle back. Pull it. So we then call it I.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm on here, my name naturally.
Alright then, so when you
MD.
come around inside here.
Up on the ground.
Alright, so when you come around here, so I eat.
One Spanish bridge.
One Spanish bridge, you see it? So you say you have an Instagram or you know? Put it to you early.
Fix it up yet.
Alright. No worries, my
Just
brother.
fight Caesar again.
Gianno star, then can't manage Caesar.
Can't get them. If I go on the Instagram, I'm on the Spanish bridge page, you see. I don't mind them.
Yo, the school, man. Yo, paradise I live, bro. No, paradise, man. The school, man.
Get to me bad, bro. Hungry as fuck.
Alright, when I hear that.
From water to my sea.
Alright.
Yeah, post them here now.
Yeah, video.
Yeah, man.
Video. Start back over.
What do you mean? No, man.
GoPro them with them out.
You want to see all the pin on the floor.
Yeah, military one, and then them one, then just talk to it. They not have to touch it. Just say GoPro, take one photo.
Wow.
GoPro video.
Next technology.
That's a GoPro video. Gone a video in.
Gone. Lobster they're fleshy.
In fact, man.
Yeah man. No joke.
I can raise them one now. I cannot catch them.
That's cool man. No joke.
Raise them lobster there.
Yo. Yeah man. See river there.
Married now, you know, bro.
Eh?
Yeah, man,
Hey,
man, married now, man.
Alright my bro. Congratulations. You mean my bro?
Don't tell the world that, do you know?
That's cool man. Up there right now. Catch up the cool and you know. Just one show them man.
Build the fire.
Living good. Some quad biking are going out there, so a whole lot of things going around here, you know. Yeah, it's a nice place to come man and come chill out, cook some food and you know, no joke. So yeah, my lovely friends, family where I watch. I'm just going to big up on yourself, remember subscribe to as well. So right now I'm at the Spanish Bridge right now. Like how I tell you now. So you don't know, I just want to go and watch what I go on. Anything when I say, I may be going to say too as well. So quad bike I go on over there, so like how I tell you now.
You ever catch cold stove yet, Bling?
Cooler man. Yeah.
So you catch a real cold stove in a piece.
So now watch what I go on.
So you catch a cold stove. Grill up some lobster. You ever do this yet?
Yo, we out. Let's watch how I go on. Yo. 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 Yo, you see that a while ago? It was crazy.
Me and him alone, they were catching midnight, you know.
So in the night it happened.
He was
General does tell me a while ago say somebody joined over here one night when him try to save the person. But them heartstrings get cut so he couldn't save them. So like give them CPR and everything. Wow, them youth are them talented still. Yeah man, them know what them a do. Watch what I go on. See that? Yeah man, them are
Cannot believe it's God.
lobster pan grill. We just come there pull up a while ago so them a catch crayfish. So I want to see what I go on, you know what I say? Yeah man. Lobster pan grill. That's what I go on. How I go on a while ago, here Bukum. What's my lobster pan grill. Hey, so no catch none yet. lobster pan grill, yo. We outside now. You know Jamaica side. Yeah, man, we're way up in our own place in our own mountain. Yeah, man.
The piece of lobster drop off our shirt. Hey, hear me not corner.
The feed on, man.
You use it. So we are doing now, people. We are crushing out the garlic.
Also make a nice sauce right now.
Yeah.
Go up on the lobster. Garlic and butter. I don't know what for activity are going out here too. Vita per yo one you one day. Yeah man, you alright, you know. Side of cool, yeah. It's a piece one of them that's a piece one hang off. Let me get the knife.
One of them here.
Yeah, right, my boss just show the butter and the garlic. That's soak up right now. Ready to eat it. Look at that. Yo. Yo. Let me say nice, you know. Let me say nice. Nice. I just thank you for it, is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, no joke. Me have a good day. No joke, you know. Yo.
Respect, man.
I just feel relaxed.
Bit, man.
From out of the city, you know. Out of the nice. Yeah. Just finished consume lobster a while ago. So yeah, just make a look at one. We'll go up the local shop to get a look at one drink up at the shop, you know. So yeah, just go and tune in. I just show you what I go on. You see it? Yeah man. Boss a one red stripe now. Yeah man, on the outside, you see it? And big up Nigel, you know what I say? I really enjoy myself today, you know. Yeah, it was a lovely day. Lovely day, no joke. Today, I'm not lie. An idea where I not lie, where I just feel relaxed. You see it? Think about nothing in the world, you know? Just a relaxing in nature, you know what I say? Yeah. So yeah, Spanish Bridge. Them catch a whole pot of crayfish, is it? Yo, big up on yourself before I go. Big up on yourself,
Right,
man.
that's father, you know you go.
You know you're cool, you see it? So yeah, Nigel over this.
Yo, you know something can come? Can you pack here? You are the home. You move more coat. Drink, you can get every type of drink. A lot of people are asking for the Magnum, let me show you what I got.
Yeah, man, I look a young Jenna business out here, so you see it? And checking place out when I forward that place. Opposite the sign right there, so in business place.
So they check in and lock in.
Where's the spot this?
Make them know say Nigel telling over here. You get me?
Yeah,
I'll
man.
be in a jump park in our water, right, you know. See there? Right.
Active, no joke. Yo, you have an Instagram where you can shout out? Or TikTok?
Spanish bridge.
How you go?
Alright. Alright then, don't say another word. Yeah man, don't say nothing. Yeah man, we out.
Go on, Natty, go on. Go on. Hold them, Natty.
Yo, that is it. That is it.
What? Give. You want woman? Wait.
No, thank you. Thank you. You know, something that embarrassing, but I'm glad. You must see how you catch all of my style, you know. Yeah, it's African. Watch out.
Under bridge.
No, man, I touch the bridge. Ah, nice.
Yo. Yo. I want a bad. Yo, I want a sick. I want the. yo, young Jenna beat her one day still. Young Jenna beat her one day still. I lead, man. No, man, I want to. You say my teacher? Okay, you say a teacher?
Me, man.
All right, my bro.
Are you have your partner? Take it off on. Yeah, take it off on. Just sit it like that. Yeah.
Yeah, but hold it for yourself.
It's good work.
Sure, everything dirty. Yeah, hero. I never said that. I never.
Yo. That is it.
Yeah, man, make the people like so I go and knock it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chat to them. So good.
One hand. Eh? Why do you want it? Why do you do so?
It's a poison.
Yeah, you give off me. You eat double yeah.
One of them pies,
Yo.
Give him something like that.
Hey, Ramdullah. Come here. Get him.
Yo. Yes, the teacher them say. Yeah.
Come here, teacher.
The school man.
Come here, teacher. It's what we are doing one day. Ready? Half a yard. Right. Where the right off the bike? Hold left.
I saw him body. I saw him body. Yo, now see what I go on. Boss just get a one wheelie, though. Crazy.
Simple thing that.
Yeah.
Simple thing.
Them man are crazy, man.
Yes, yes, if you can do it after a round, you can do it. Usually, a long time. Oh yeah, live.
No, I'm not live, it's a video. Yo.